Are you looking for the top 5 Beats new Power Beats Pro 2 wireless earbuds? Are 20% off on Amazon? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 new Power Beats Pro 2 wireless earbuds are 20% off on Amazon on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Beats Power Beats Pro 2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Power Beats Pro 2 is the most advanced headphone we've ever made, with secure fit ear hooks that stay locked in as you train. With over 1,500 hours of athlete testing to help ensure a secure, comfortable fit for any ear shape and intensity level. For absolute workout focus, we added the best performing active noise canceling ANC we've ever developed, plus transparency mode to let you hear the world around you, ensuring the best listening experience wherever you train. Heart rate monitoring sensors pulse over 100 times per second to measure your pulse in real time. And Power Beats Pro 2 is sweat and water resistant with an IPX4 rating, so they're tough enough to handle training in rain, snow, and heat. Adaptive EQ uses advanced microphones to measure what you're hearing, then adjust the frequencies of your music to you. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking delivers immersive sound, with clear highs, rich mid-range tones, and powerful bass. Take calls, FaceTime with spatial audio, and activate Siri with industry-leading Class 1 Bluetooth connectivity. Each earbud has advanced microphones that have been updated to ensure exceptional call quality. Number 2. Apple AirPods Pro 2 wireless earbuds. Pioneering hearing. AirPods Pro 2 unlocked the world's first all-in-one hearing health experience. A scientifically validated hearing test, * clinical grade and active hearing protection, *. Intelligent noise control. Active noise cancellation removes up to 2x more background noise. * transparency mode lets you hear the world around you. And adaptive audio seamlessly blends active noise cancellation and transparency mode for the best listening experience in any environment. * and when you're speaking with someone nearby, conversation awareness automatically lowers the volume of what's playing. * Customizable fit. Includes 4 pairs of silicone tips, XS, S, M, L, to fit a wide range of ear shapes and provide all-day comfort. The tips create an acoustic seal to help keep out noise and secure AirPods Pro 2 in place. Dust, sweat, and water resistant. Both AirPods Pro and a MagSafe charging case are IP54 dust, sweat, and water resistant, so you can listen comfortably in more conditions. * Personalized spatial audio. With sound that suits your unique ear shape along with dynamic head tracking, AirPods Pro 2 deliver an immersive listening experience that places sound all around you. * You can also listen to select songs, shows, and movies in Dolby Atmos. A higher level of control. Simply swipe, press, and hold the stem to manage playback functions using touch control. And with Siri interactions, simply nod your head yes or shake your head no when Siri asks if you'd like to hear a message answer call or manage a notification. * Number 3. JBL Vibe Beam 2 True Wireless Noise Canceling Earbuds. JBL Pure Bass Sound. JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds feature 8mm dynamic drivers that deliver exciting JBL Pure bass sound. Active noise canceling. Listen to your surroundings and filter out distracting noise. Smart Ambient lets you control how much of the outside world you want to hear, so you can talk with others or stay aware of your surroundings while keeping your earbuds in. For mics for crisp, clear calls. 2 mics on each earbud pickup and clearly transmit your voice while canceling out ambient noise, so you can make clear, crisp calls even when you're walking through a busy park on a breezy day. 40 total hours of playback. Enjoy 10 hours of playtime, plus another 3 full charges, 30 hours, in the charging case. * need to recharge even faster? 10 minutes on a USB Type-C charging cable will give you another 3 hours of playtime. JBL Headphones app. Select the EQ that fits your style or customize your own. Voice prompts in multiple languages give you useful information, e.g. if battery is running low. Or chill out and recharge in relax mode by choosing one of 5 peaceful sounds. Number 4. Tozo T10 Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth 5.3 Headphones. Comfortable fit via ergonomic design. with a lightweight design and ergonomic shape that reduce the burden of the ear and guarantee a comfortable fit in any ear, even for women and children. You can even wear them comfortably while sleeping, exercising, commuting. Moreover, the earbuds come in a variety of sizes, allowing you to find the perfect ear caps for a personalized and supremely comfortable fit. Unparalleled sound quality, engineered newly upgraded 8mm speakers, and Tozo Orgex 2.0 acoustics technology, our headphones accentuate bass fullness while ensuring that the vocals and high notes are natural and detailed, reproducing CD quality sound. Prepare yourself for the ultimate immersive audio experience. 55 hours of battery life, Tozo T10 offers you the freedom to indulge in thousands of songs. Single charge lasts 15 hours, and the total playtime of the charging case is 55 hours via USB-A to USB-C cable. It also supports wireless charging, allowing you to conveniently charge them without the need for wires or plugs. Rest assured, we have equipped them with ample power to accompany you on all your adventures. IPX8 waterproof. Tozo T10 wireless earbuds feature an IPX8 waterproof rating nano coating on their internal components, providing solid protection against sweat and raindrops effectively, thereby extending the earbuds' lifespan, which is suitable for running, swimming, cycling, and other various sports. Latest Bluetooth 5.3, Tozo T10 utilizes advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology and supports HSB, HFB, A2DP, and AVRCP profiles, which greatly improves transmission speed and stronger connection stability. There is no delay or degradation in signal quality during music playback and calls. With a stable connection range of up to 15 meters, you can effortlessly control your music and phone whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Number 5. Soundcore P30i by Anker Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Strong and smart noise cancelling. Reduce noise by up to 42 dB with an advanced active noise cancelling system. With adaptive technology, Soundcore P30i detects external sound and automatically selects a level of noise cancelling optimized for your ears. Transparency mode. Blend the world or focus on your audio, the choice is yours. Simply switch to transparency mode to hear the world around you when needed. Powerful bass. Unleash deep, punchy bass with Soundcore P30i noise cancelling earbuds 10mm drivers, amplified by the Soundcore exclusive bass-up technology for an immersive, robust audio experience. Long-lasting convenience. Enjoy up to 10 hours of playtime, 6 hours with ANC, on a single charge, and up to 45 hours with the case, 25 hours with ANC. A quick 10-minute charge provides 2 hours of use, perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. 4-mic AI enhanced calls. Experience clear calls anywhere you go with 4 microphones built into the wireless earbuds, alongside an AI algorithm that picks up your voice with precision. One-step pairing. Soundcore P30i uses the latest Bluetooth 5.4 for easy pairing, automatically connecting with the last pair device when taking the earbuds from the case.